a video of him taking a video.
There you go.
Yeah. So that's going to be in front of us while we're walking, and I'm going to videotape it as we're walking.
Hopefully it's going to be.
Is it on already?
Well, there's some area. There's some areas that you better watch out.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
This side's better than the other, but.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Hi.
That's small. You're on TV. You're on camera.
I remember it was really, really hot out, and Brian brought his drone out, and Ernie shows up, and we put it right over the top of his head.
Yeah.
Look how much wind the air in this place is.
This thing is
He just stood there and goes, ah. It'll cool you down quick.
Okay, Fred, you ready?
I guess I am.
Y'all ain't gonna help me?
We are.
We're going to give you some moral support.
We're documented.
I keep expecting you.
You can do it, Skip. Why is it jumping?
No, it won't, will it? All right, well, y'all carry on then.
You too.
Yeah, the other thing I want to do, it won't really respond to a lot of commands.
Just like your dog. Yeah, it is. Am I holding this the wrong way?
No, you're doing good.
Was it this way or this way?
You just looked at yourself.
I've been holding it that way the whole time.
No, you're good.
Now I am. You got a whole bunch of me. It did what?
It made love to some of those tree limbs over there.
Oh, did it?
We just chopped them up good and never came down there. See that? You can see it?
Yeah.
Spotted the tree behind it. See, this is the same tree the other one was at. You're not gonna.
Woo!
Look at that. I could get a job here.
No kidding. Morning.
Nice toy.
Yes, he's got a bunch of them.
All you gotta do is hit 2 things and it starts tracking. You don't need to.
Nice. Now, why is it doing that?
I don't know. It might be used by the trees.
Is it going to follow us now?
Yeah.
Morning. You didn't notice that?
No, I heard the noise. Tell me what you can do.
But he's controlling it. Right now we've got it. Absolutely. Video, the only thing you don't have is sound. Because all you would hear is the motors. But you can do a video. He does a lot of it. He edits all his videos, puts them on YouTube, stuff like that. Till he gets banned.
Sounds like a hive of bees.
This one's a quiet one compared to a lot of them.
Yeah, it's not bad. Oh, how about amazing. Amazing.
Kind of follows me.
Yeah, thanks.
It's still on tracking?
No. Going over to the side.
It's gonna follow us again.
Yeah, it's going to track us from the side and the back. Like that. You know there's an adjustment you can do in the advanced thing, but I'll have to work on that at time.
I mean, for you to start walking faster and try to get ahead of you, jackass. Slow down. Jesus. Well, I did. Oh, you jackass. You should live up to the rep.
See if it can hang.
Oh, through these branches?
Yeah. They're in dark shades.
Piece of cake.
Still 60% back. Okay, I'm gonna have to take this path over here.
Okay. Do what now? Oh. Yeah. We got the geese in the shot too.
There's no way to do that.
They never listen. Yep. Now plie. Come on, come on, come on. Keep coming. Nice. Check it out. Is that some? That's pretty wild.
Let's see where my battery is. 45%.
Are you doing that? Okay. Is this screen supposed to be blank? Okay. I just want to make sure I'm still recording.
I'll take the camera, you take Mac. We're gonna pull this thing up. I guess it's still running.
I hope it's still on. Okay. Sir?
Finger, please. Thank you.
I did it earlier.
Oh, good. I do have an odor.